Hello you guys, welcome back. We've got another pair of shoes to open. The brand name is Schutz. We've got it from Nordstrom Rack. They're Mules and they are genuine leather. Let's go and look over these. The style name is Meisho. I don't know how you say it, but I am trying this in size 5, because this one fit me better. I don't know if it's because of the leather, since it opens up a lot better.
Yeah, it's all leather, it says.
Yes.
There's a little bit of lining of synthetic, but
mostly leather. 90% of the shoe is
leather, yeah.
Yes, and it has a nice grip at the bottom so you won't slip or anything. It's a really nice glove fit when I try it, of course. So I guess if you were to go with these, go a size smaller. And a nice little bling. So if you were to go for festive dinners, you can go ahead and wear them out. Nice pointy, very trendy sole, as well as the mule shape. And let's try them on.
Okay.
And they are not pure white, they're a bit cream.
Yeah.
Off-white cream.
Wow. I love how that point is straight in the center.
So while you're taking a shot of that, because I need to try them on, right? You guys shouldn't say it's small. I want this perfect length. I don't want my shoe going over my foot.
No, definitely the 5 is the best fit.
Yes.
Since it's leather and so soft, your foot is already to the
edge.
Very front, to the edge.
Mm-hmm.
So the 5 was
And the strap is so not tight. It's a perfect glove fit.
Yeah. I love them.
I've spent $4 on the lighter. Oh, and by the way, the heel is only 3 inches, so that's a very comfortable shoe.
Yeah. I think it's more like 2.5-ish.
Okay, sure.
Could be like 275.
Okay, 280.
Yeah, don't burn the shoes. I love them. Yeah, they're good. So how are they?
They're very good. If you happen to bump into these, make sure you try them on at least.
Yeah.
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you later.